Hey there, my name is Tom Beck. I'm with Alcons Audio. We're a Dutch manufacturer of professional sound systems. And we're here back in sunny Vegas, in hot Vegas, with InfoComm 2026. And we have a number of new products, we have a number of existing products. A new product actually, which is not new because we previewed, but then again it's new that it's for the first time we're actually supplying and shipping the monitors, is MR5. MR5 is the smallest member of the M series, and the M series stands for our reference monitor group of products. Currently the series contains 3 models, MR5, MR10, MR12. The 3-way MR10 can be auditioned in the demo room we have here, but here on the booth we got MR5. MR5 is a 2-way system, it's a single 5-inch. The single 5-inch contains our active coil technology. That means it's 2 coils inside the speaker to basically actively reduce the amount of distortion, which is a perfect member to go along with the RBN202 driver, which is the Pro Ribbon technology driver, the Pro Ribbon transducer technology that we've mastered over the years with a number of patents and a number of developments on that. So at 1 kHz, the crossover between the 5-inch and the 202 happens, and then from 1 kHz all the way up to 20,000 Hz, the RBN202 covers the spectrum, which is quite unusually wide band, so the whole vocal range is covered by one transducer. It's passive filtered, so there are 2 half filters inside the cabinet for audiophile reference quality, and the waveguide is interestingly enough called the hemp horn because we actually use hemp fibers to reinforce the waveguide, with which we significantly also reduce the resonance frequency of the waveguide. And the opening window is a constant directivity of 120 degrees by 40 degrees. So you stay away from the ceiling, you stay away from the desk, and you still have 120 degree horizontal super wide sweet spot. More information can be found on studiomonitor.info. Thank you.